Namaste children, hope you finished with the outline drawing. Today we are going to color the mushroom drawing. For your mushroom drawing, first we will color the sky, then we will color the dots, then we color the mushroom background. We will go step by step. Please color the pictures with me only. For the sky, I am using a sky blue color. You have a choice. You can use a light purple color also. See how I am coloring, touching border to border perfectly. Go slipping way perfectly. While coming down, give less pressure and it light, light and light. Again give dark tone upper side. While coming down, give less pressure and go step by step. Light and light. Same way, do it over here also. You are not going to go inside the clouds. Neat coloring is very important. Automatically your picture will look nice. For the clouds, I will use grey color. I will leave little white space. I am not touching to the cloud border, you can see. Then dark to light, opposite direction. Light and light. Dark, light and light. Now first I will color the oval shape using a deep chrome yellow and red color. Deep chrome yellow and lemon color. Deep chrome yellow and lemon yellow. Deep chrome yellow, dark to light light and mix with the yellow color. I have done the lightly, that is why the lemon yellow mixed with the deep yellow color. So understand and do it perfectly. I am not going outside. I did the light tones. You can see the light color and mix with the lemon color. Again dark color down. Then dark color light, 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 light. And fill up the color. Coloring is very important. Do it very neat way. If I will scribble the color or if I will scribble the sky, vertical line, horizontal line, it will look nice? No, it will not look nice. So you have to go perfectly dark to light, merge the color and do it very nicely. The scribbling is not allowed. Going outside is not allowed. So do it perfectly. Concentrate how you supposed to color. Once you finish yellow, orange colors, deep yellow oval shapes, then we will color the down background. Dark green and light green color. Two colors. You have to hold your colors in vertical positions like this way. The grass effect. Same thing continue. Zigzag up and down. Use dark green color. Zigzag up and down. This looks like a grass effect. Mix with the again light green color and see the thickness, how much thick I've done. So that much only you have to do it. Do it both the side. Same way here you will do a dark green and light green bushes. Dark to light. Just mix it. Two color. How you have mixed the deep yellow and lemon yellow. The same way. For this also you will use brown and sandy brown. So use brown color half part. Mix with the sandy brown. Sandy brown or ochre yellow or deep yellow, whatever you say. Mix the color perfectly. Half dark, half light. When you are doing in the shape, you do the dark. When you are doing background, you do the light. So keep in your mind how to use the color. For the mushroom background, the girls will do a pink color and the boys will do the red color background. The girls will do pink color and the boys will do the red color background. Or the rest, everyone will be do the same coloring. Same way my few students have done the last year. I show you the sample also. In dewdrop, you just do the blue color half part and leave half part white. The rain, the drops. I show you the last year students work who has done. They have used the light purple color sky also. I have used the blue color. So you have a two color, different color sky, dark green, light green grass. Plus they have used the olive green and chrome yellow for the bushes. So you can do this way. So you have a sample and my work. Both the things you can able to see. Plus these two color. I have told you pink color and red color. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a great day.